Today we're making a light from an old torch. Okay, first thing we got to do is disassemble everything so we can kind of see what we're working with. Alright, let's start taking it apart. Okay, so I think I'm going to cut the bottom out of this piece here so I can access all the wiring and stuff, and I think I'm going to use this like little toggle switch. We'll put it on the inside in here so you can actually kind of flick it on and off. That'll be pretty easy. And it also looks like I'm going to have to drill this out so I can run the wiring through here, head out the front of the nozzle, and then we'll mount this inside here somehow. So I'll figure that out as we go. But let's get the bottom off first, and then we'll go from there. Okay, it looks like there was a little bit of something left in there once I took the bottom off, but pretty cool. Alright, turns out it was the wick that was on the inside. Yeah, probably should have taken that out first. Oh well. Okay, so we got the bottom off. That wasn't too bad. Took a little longer than I thought it was going to, but we got it off. So next thing I think I'm going to do is we're going to drill out this little nozzle so we can get the wiring to go through to the actual light. So let's head on over to the drill press and we'll just do it that way. Okay, so I've got the center part here drilled out. It's all cleaned out. Then I ground a little flat spot right here because I'm actually going to take one of these little set screws as I drop it, and we're going to put a hole right through here and tap it so that way we can hold the actual end piece that holds the light in place, and you can kind of make sure it doesn't fall out. So let's drill and tap this hole real quick. Alright, after that's tapped, now we're going to drill the hole that goes on the inside here that will come out through the handle. That way I can take my switch, shove it on through, and then we'll be able to turn it on and off. I think the easiest way to do this is I'm probably just going to pop this handle off and then drill through the top. So let's try that. Cool. Okay, hole's drilled. Make sure it fits. Ta-da! Awesome. So that'll be cool when we wire it up. Alright, I got everything pretty much disassembled and drilled and ready to put back together. But I think I'm going to clean it up real quick first, just because I think it'll look better. Plus it's brass, so it's nice and shiny. I don't know if I'm going to go through and polish everything, but I think it'll still look pretty cool. So let's clean it up first, and then we'll wire and assemble everything back together. And then we should be done. Okay, so I got a little close to it, and I got it stuck in crap. It's in my coat. Okay, all the parts are cleaned up pretty much best I could. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could go through and like polish everything up really nice to super bright shine, but I'm not gonna do that for this. So all I gotta do now is assemble everything, and that'll be it. Okay, the light bulb I got for this is one of those Edison lights. I think it's only like a 40 watt, so it's not gonna be very bright, but it'll look pretty cool. So for kind of an ambiance, if you just got it sitting on the shelf once everything lights up. So, all right, let's give it a try. Okay, that might be a little overkill. It's pretty long. So, all right, why don't we switch this one out? And I got a shorter one. We'll try that one instead. Okay, that kind of fits a little better. Not as long as the other one, but at least this way you can put it on the shelf and it's not going to be in the way. So, all right, let's turn the lights out and make sure I wired everything. If not, then I'm probably going to get shocked. There you have it, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the Metal Maker Shop. Be sure to like and subscribe to keep up with any other projects I got going on in the future. Thanks.